Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to circle back to our fiber feature. If you're at all familiar with our previous tutorial, you'll notice we've upgraded our interface. In addition to that, we've made some changes to our fiber platform, and we wanted to keep you guys informed as we make these changes. There have been some minor tweaks to functionality, and the reason for the backend platform change is to allow for more advanced development in the future as we move forward. And that being said, let's go ahead and create a new fiber coverage. There's more than one way to begin your build here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and fill out some info first. Coverage name should be unique, so that it can be identified if it's returned in a path analysis or an end-user submission. If it's not unique, it'll fail the data validation process, and the system will prevent you from moving forward. The distance field is used to determine how much area your fiber line will cover. The higher the distance, the thicker your fiber line. This is significant because any end-user data within this distance will appear in your path analysis results, and it'll also affect the output for your BDC location IDs if you're using it for the biannual filing. There are two fields available to input your distance values. The top field is for meters, and the one just below it is a conversion field where you can input the values in feet. After that, you'll input your number of strands. This doesn't affect your coverage output, but it's there if you want to add the information. The default color for fiber coverages is blue, but you have the option to modify that value with the use of the provided color picker. Below that, you have the option to input some notes. It's not a required field, but it does hold a decent amount of data, so go ahead and plug in whatever you feel is necessary. In mode selection, you can choose either single mode or multi-mode. In type selection, you can pick from transport or distribution mode. Now that we've filled that in, we can drop a starter pin. Active pins will color shift to green. Add a length to your line by clicking along the path you want to create. You can add an offshoot or fork to a path by selecting an anchor pin and building onto that. You can remove pins by performing a right click, or you can move them with a simple click and drag. Once you're done with all this, you can click Update Fiber Route. Performing this action will send it to processing and save your coverage. Any offshoot from the main path is considered a different entity. As such, the settings for each path are allowed to be unique. Names for these paths are assigned automatically as you create them. To make changes to a path once it's been formed, select Edit Path Settings, click the path you want to alter from the list, and make your changes. Always click the Update button to commit your changes. Our system does not have an autosave feature, and if you click off the screen, you will lose your progress. If you'd like to see some extra detail when your coverage has been formed, you can click the View Length button to see the distance between your pins. The distance value is shown in both miles and kilometers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.